This is my very healthy meal. Pasta, eggs, and one mandarin. As a hostel, we have every single day group activities when we together. We have family dinners, or we go explore Sagrada Familia, or we go together, go to a club as a hostel, and time to take a bus to this beautiful viewpoint. Welcome, my last day in Barcelona. The one-way ticket public transport costs €2.4. Random submarine in the middle of road. Let's check out this amazing viewpoint. Can you see the weather? Come on, it's every day. Beautiful sunny weather. It's just the beginning of the hike, and the view is, oh my goodness. That's why I want to buy a better Sony camera with better zoom. In Barcelona, one place where I could live in. Perfect place for trail running. My trail and Barcelona. Oh yeah. Wow. I'm not even halfway and I cannot stop filming to cover my mic. Barcelona, nice road. You just have to turn slightly left and you see Barcelona. This is mental. Arrived at the top of the mountain. Can I fly here? Not bad viewpoint. Wow. Not bad at all. Just visit Kraków, later you can visit Barcelona. Dude, what is this place? You can see everything from here. My friend asked me to be volunteer in the hostel. I don't know. I mean, it's a volunteer week, so you don't make money. That could be a nice option to spend more time in Barcelona and be more social with people. Look at those people up there. Wow. I think Barcelona is a perfect town. What can I say? I mean, what is this place? Barcelona, that's what I should say. Viewpoints, everything, architecture. Maybe small ad if you're someone who's watching this later. If you want to visit Barcelona, you can message me and I can just be your guide. I can plan your trip in Barcelona, go show you the best places. Maybe you want to stay in hostels, it's pretty cool. Not bad place. Spanish couple is next to me, so they're gonna judge me. It's fine, stay with that position. Wow, beautiful. But it's so stunning. You just need to stop for a moment and appreciate this. That's a curva moment. This view is. Okay, it's over. Time to go to hostel. Come on. That's it. It's amazing view. I need to remember what Casey said. No one cares about drone shots, footage. Sagrada Familia, stunning building. So time to go to hostel and edit. I hope you enjoyed my short trip in Barcelona. Don't worry, if you're gonna subscribe, you will see Barcelona many times. That's my favorite place in Europe, and now I think you see why. It's beautiful. No, don't worry, I work out every day. Mandarins, banana, and those protein yogurt. This is camera that I'm thinking about. A7 for €2,500. Infinite money glitch lenses to cameras. Oh my goodness. Italian food. Eat together as a hostel. Grazie. I'm leaving Barcelona. I'm always so sad. It's my favorite hostel in Europe, my favorite people. One fun battle, Barcelona. Ryanair is waiting for me. I'm at the airport. As usual, I'll sleep here, but first I'm gonna edit. Tomorrow, Prague. Thank you for watching.